Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to launch Chrome in private or incognito mode by default. Type Chrome in search bar. Right-click Chrome, click Open File Location. Right-click Google Chrome, click Send to Desktop Shortcut. Right-click the shortcut, click Properties. At the end of the target link, type -incognito. Click Apply. OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.